popping, yo? This is Joe Gibbs, you feel me? BQ. This is my page right here, you feel me? It's the home page where you would come on to my page, you know what I'm saying? Hop on this joint, do what you gotta do. Next page is my offer page. This is your buy now button. Click on that joint. That joint take you to the month. You know, it take you somewhere. You know what I mean? The no thanks take you wherever it's supposed to go, back to the home. Buy now will take you to the upsell. You feel me? This is my upsell page. You hit the buy now on this joint. This joint take you to the e-commerce. No thanks. Take you to the next page, which is the downsell. Click on that joint. You feel me? The buy now take you to the e-commerce. No thanks to take you to the e-commerce too. I presume. You feel me? Next, I got the MailChimp. You feel me? The MailChimp. Well, this is my MailChimp page. We are rooting for you. I got my email address, everything you need to do in the MailChimp. Click on that. Take you right to the MailChimp page. Everything you need to do with that. Next is I got the contest page, you know what I'm saying? It's my contest for my website, you know what I mean? Click on that joint. You can enter the contest, get some free stuff, Insta love, free coffee, you feel me? Next page is the Facebook. Facebook living. You know what I'm saying? This is our Facebook page. You can click on that, take you to our Facebook page, tell you all about us, you feel me, BQ? This is what it is. Next page up, you feel me? It take you to the mobile app. You know what I'm saying? The app. This is the app. This is what the app looks like, you know what I'm saying? And it takes you everything you need to do. Download the app, get everything you need to buy off my page, you feel me? And last but not least is the e-commerce page. You know what I'm saying? You go to the e-commerce page. Oh shit. Oh, my bad, I didn't mean to curse. E-commerce page. This is where you check out. You know what I'm saying? You check out what you got, and that's all I got, B. You know what I'm saying? So come back to my website anytime you want. It's been a blessing. JG Marketing 2110 is my personal project page. I holla at you, baby. I holla.